Hello everyone. Today, we will learn merge two different data frames by common columns or row names. Here is the data example. First dataset has 4 subjects with 3 variables, name, height, and weight. In the second set, we have only 3 subjects, where Alice and Brian existed in the previous dataset, but Tom appeared in this dataset only. Also, it has a new variable blood pressure but not the weight. When to look at the column names, the name and heights are common in 2 datasets. It is a good idea to change the key column names to be consistent. Let's change the second dataset. Now 2 datasets are ready to merge with 2 common columns, which are names and height. What we are trying to do is combining 2 datasets horizontally, using merge command. First 2 arguments represent each dataset respectively. Then, use the by, which will connect 2 datasets by the common columns, in our example, name and height. Then, by setting all is true, the merged data will show all people from either datasets. Let's see the result how it turns out to be. Since I used all is true, the merged set show all names. When no data exists, it treats like a missing value displaying NA. In other case, we are only interested in keeping the persons from data 1. By setting all.x is true, the first dataset at left side will be the reference to keep. See what happened. Now you see only 4 people remained in the merged data. Similarly, to keep the right side data, we use all.y is true. See what happened when we merged to the right side of data. It's only 3 people now. What would happen if all is set to false? Can you guess? Yes, that's correct. This will keep only common subjects appeared in both datasets. There is an alternative approach, if you are interested in being more efficient in coding. Use the join command in plyr package. The following code will do the exactly same task.